Hidden right in the heart of Tbilisi, the Leghvtakhevi Waterfall is one of those rare places where nature and the city beautifully meet. As you walk through the narrow streets of the old town and follow the stone pathway near the famous Abanatubani sulfur baths, the sound of rushing water begins to grow stronger, leading you toward this peaceful oasis. The name Leghvtakhevi comes from the Georgian word for fig gorge, because in ancient times, this area was full of fig trees growing along the cliffs. The moment you reach the waterfall, it feels like stepping into another world. Surrounded by steep rocky walls, the cool mist from the falling water creates a refreshing atmosphere, especially on warm days. The waterfall drops about 22 meters and flows into a small stream that runs through the gorge, making it a perfect spot for photos and quiet reflection. Many locals and travelers visit here to relax, listen to the water, and take a short break from the city's buzz. At night, the area is softly lit, giving the waterfall a magical look, especially against the backdrop of the old brick architecture nearby. The bridge that crosses the gorge offers one of the best views, and if you look around, you'll notice charming cafes and small walkways where you can enjoy the scenery even more. Leghvtakhevi Waterfall is more than just a natural sight. It's a peaceful retreat right into Tbilisi's old quarter, reminding everyone that even within the city, nature still has its quiet corner. Whether you visit during the day or in the evening, this spot promises a moment of calm and beauty worth capturing.